Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Dow Academy Online Learning. We look forward to seeing you all back in class. But for now, stay home, stay safe. And remember to always wash your hands with soap for at least 20 seconds. Let's begin.
My clever girls and boys, I once again welcome you into our social studies lesson. This is week number 2. Our lesson number 1 will be on Botswana's major physical zones. Please take note that this topic is still related to our main topic, which I gave you earlier on, reading Botswana's physical environment. So it means today we're going to start looking at Botswana's major physical zones. At times they refer to these zones as regions. Zones or regions. Right. Botswana has 4 main physical zones. The 4 major physical zones are the Ghanzi Ridge, the Kgalagadi Basin, our Eastern Hills, and the Limpopo Basin. Now we're going to look at each one of these in detail. We'll start off with our Ghanzi Ridge. First and foremost, we need to understand what a ridge is. By definition, a ridge is a long, narrow area of highland. So our Ghanzi Ridge is a highland found on the eastern side of the Kgalagadi Basin. The ridge extends from the southwest towards the northeast. I'm sure we still remember our cardinal points. Remember when we were learning about the location of Botswana, right? You're supposed to tell directions, especially regarding Botswana in relation to her neighbors, right? Thank you. So I said the Ghanzi Ridge extends from the southwest towards the northeast. The Ghanzi Ridge is covered by grey sandy soil. In the Ghanzi Ridge, we find Tsodilo Hills, Aha Hills, Kunaka Hills, which are found in the northwestern part of our Ghanzi Ridge. Now, boys and girls, we're going to look at the human activities that take place in the Ghanzi Ridge. In other words, what is it that the people who are living in this region do in order to earn a living? 1. People hunt wild animals and gather wild plants for food. People also rear cattle for sale in the Ghanzi block farms. With this, boys and girls, we have come to the end of lesson number 1 in week number 2. I once again encourage you to record or take down the notes that I just gave you. And remember, it's always important to go over your work. That means read your notes. Read your notes over and over again. This is the only way you can help yourself remember what you learned about. So until we meet again in lesson number 2 in this very same week, have a lovely day. Bye-bye.